Imagine waking up tomorrow and not being able to drink water from your house. Instead of going to the fridge, you have to walk miles every day just to collect a bucket of dirty water that will inevitably make you sick. According to the World Health Organization, this is a reality for almost 2.1 billion people worldwide. Contaminated water kills almost a million people per year. Think about how many times you used water today. You brushed your teeth, washed your hands, filled a bottle, and made coffee. Now imagine if every one of those actions put you at risk of disease. In America, most don't face this problem, but our awareness and donations can make a difference to those who struggle with unsafe water systems every day. I conducted research using reputable sources on global water access through my AP Earth and Environmental Science class and exploring websites such as those of the World Health Organization to examine how to access clean water impacts a country's economy, sustainability, and health. Now, I will discuss the causes of limited clean water, the problems unsafe water creates, and a solution to aid in expanding clean water access to people around the world. Next slide, please. First, I will tell you why people still don't have access to clean water. Limited access to clean water is caused by environmental, economic, and structural challenges. According to the UN Water Development Report, many impoverished countries face severe droughts and the effects of climate change, which can reduce the amount of fresh water that is available. Some countries lack the financial resources needed to build, maintain, and provide facilities where fresh water can be kept and distributed. Poor sanitation and pollution can also lead to unsafe water. According to UNICEF, over 700 million people drink water that has been contaminated by animal or human waste. Waste, chemicals, and sewage contaminate rivers and groundwater, mainly in low income regions. Now that we've looked at why people don't have access to clean water, let's look at the problem these countries face because of this. Next slide, please. Now we can examine the problems created by a lack of clean water for people and communities. Unsafe water can lead to major health effects. Many waterborne diseases can be contracted. These include cholera, dysentery, and typhoid, which, according to the WHO, cause over 800,000 deaths every year. The most vulnerable group is children. According to the CDC, diseases from unsafe water are a leading cause of death for children 5 years and younger. Education and economic growth are also disrupted by the lack of clean water. Women in many countries are affected by this because they have the responsibility of collecting water for their families. This limits time for school and work. Businesses, hospitals, and farms can't operate without reliable water, which creates a cycle of poverty. Since we've seen how unsafe drinking water problems are created and their effects, we can look at solutions. Next slide, please. Finally, there are many solutions that we as Americans can participate in. Even though this doesn't actively affect us, the most effective solution, according to WellRe, is community-based water systems. Charity organizations like WaterAid and the UNICEF WASH program work to build wells and filter the water. These programs provide long-term access to clean drinking water for these areas, by also training community members to maintain and repair the systems. We can aid in the solution by raising awareness for these people and contributing to reliable water initiatives. Even if you don't contribute much, a small amount can change lives. These donations help to fund wells, water filters, and sanitation systems. Spreading information and supporting fundraising campaigns helps to raise awareness and encourage others to participate. Now that we've looked at the causes, effects, and solutions, we can summarize what we've learned. Next slide, please. Now we know why clean water access is limited, the problems this creates, and realistic solutions to improve the conditions for many. Water is not a luxury. It is a basic necessity that all people need to have access to. No person should have to sacrifice their health or education to have safe water. Every time we use water, we should be reminded of the billions of people who don't have it. By choosing to support these communities, you can transform lives and impact people all over the world.